Okay, hi. I'd like to introduce you to the Orion 3200 door, made by Herman. Designed in Germany, built right here in Illinois, United States. It's available through West Virginia Door. I'd like to show you some of the, I don't know what to say. Some of the features of the door. The bottom master seals on the bottom floor very tightly. It's fully insulated. It has steel on two sides. We put the glass down onto the side of the door just for the show to make it look a little bit more modern. If you want to walk toward the door, you'll see how quiet it is. We also offer the Herman silent drive operators, which only need 1.5 inches of space, which most operators need 2 or 3 inches, and it is literally silent.